Hello viewers, we are back again. Today we are going to look at accounting for beginners, tutorial 1. And in accounting for beginners, tutorial 1, as a beginner, there are some things that you need to know when you are dealing with accounting. First, we are going to start with DC. What do you understand by DC? D stands for debit, while C stands for credit. Now, you need to know the elements that falls under debit, and you need to know the elements that falls under credit. How do we classify them? D, C, A, D, C, A, D, E. L, E, R. We need to understand that. It's an accounting principle that you need to understand. D, C, A, D, E, L, E, R. The DC, as I first explained, D stands for debit, C stands for credit, A stands for assets, D stands for draw, E stands for expenses, L stands for liability, E stands for equity, R stands for revenue. You have this. How do you classify them? Is the question that is being asked all the time. Now, this is the way you classify them. D, C. Put a line. The D stands for debit. C stands for credit. Now, we have the D. We have A. We have D. We have E. Here we have L. We have E. And we have R. A, under the debit, we have asset. D, under the debit, we have draw. And sometimes we can also call it distribution. While E, under the debit, we have expense. L, under the credit, we have liabilities. E, under the credit, we have equity. R, under the credit, we have revenue. So that's what you need to know in accounting for beginners. As a beginner, you need to first of all know how assets are created. What is credit? What is debit? Element that falls under debit, element that falls under credit. The element that falls under debit, as we have seen, we have assets, draw, expenses. The element that falls under credit, we have liability, we have equity, and we have revenue. So that's how they put it in short form. D, C, D, which is A, D, E, and here, which is L, E, R. That's just the principle. You use this principle, and you come out with the understanding of how accounting recordings are being played. That is how debits are classified and how credits are classified. Okay, viewers, hope to see you in our video 2, which will still continue from where we stop for today. Please subscribe to our channel if you have not subscribed. Turn on the notification bell to be notified each time there's a video on our channel. And your comments are important in the comment box. talks. Hope to see you in our next video.